Did you just cough? Take him to the dungeons. There's no hope for this one. Let's just throw him in the dump. Okay.